Bonjour friends, hope you all are doing well. So the topic for today's class is the words used in class or the instructions that are given in the class. For example, sit down, open your book, close your book. Ma'am, please may I come in?
Ma'am, please may I come in?
Yes, enter. All these things we'll cover today in this French class. So how do we say this in French? The words in the class, in French, we pronounce it as les mots dans la classe, where les means the, mots means words, dans means in, la means the again, and class means class only. Now here you might have noticed that we have used les before mot and we have used la before class. Why is it so? Why we have used les before mot and la before class? Let me tell you that. Since mot, which means words, since it is a plural noun, so that's why we are using les before mot, because les is used before all the plural nouns. Therefore, it becomes the words, that means les mots in French. Now please have a look here. Here class is a singular noun. It's not classes. If it would have been classes, then I would have said that it is a plural noun. But here it is a singular noun. It is simply a class. So therefore we are using la before class. Now listen to me class. Listen to me very, very carefully. In French there is a concept. There is a concept of feminine and masculine nouns. And this masculine and feminine nouns is used almost before everything. It can be used before any of the non-living things also. For example, table, chair, fan, bed, anything. So according to that concept only, class is a feminine singular. That's why we have used la before class. Since you know that class is a feminine singular noun, that's why we are using la before class. I'll be teaching you each and everything in the upcoming videos. So coming to instruction number 1, suppose if a student wants to enter the class, then how he will ask the teacher to enter the class? What he is going to say to the teacher, that let me enter the class, ma'am please may I come in, or anything else like that. How he is going to say that in French? He is going to say, je peux entrer madame. Je peux entrer madame, where je means I, peux means can, entrer means enter, and madame means madam. Can I enter, madam? So according to French, this makes the sense as I can enter, madam, question mark. But in English we can't say that, no. In English we can't say that I can enter, madam. In English you will say can I enter, madam only, no. I can enter, madam. Je peux entrer, madame. Can I enter, madam? In English we are going to say, can I enter, madam? And the same thing if we want to say that in French, we'll pronounce it as je peux entrer, madame. Now in response to that, what the teacher will say? Yes, enter. What she is going to say? She will not say, no, you are not going to enter. Or she will say, yes, enter. How she will say this in French? She will say entrer. Entrer means what? Enter. And if she wants to say yes, enter, then she'll say, of course, what she'll say? I have already taught you. I have already taught you. What I have taught? Oui, yes. Oui means what? Yes. Oui means what? Yes. So she'll say yes, oui. Entrez. Yes, you can enter. Now coming to the second instruction. if the teacher is teaching something in the class, suppose if she is teaching something and she wants to say that please repeat this sentence after me, then how she'll say that in French? How she'll say that repeat after me please, or please repeat after me? How she is saying that? How she is going to say that? She'll say it as répétez, répétez après moi. Répétez après moi. Repeat after me. And if she wants to say repeat after me please, then how she will say? Répétez après moi s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. In French, s'il vous plaît means please. And don't worry, I'll be teaching you all these accents, all these accents I'll be teaching you afterwards. I've already told you, so I'll be teaching you. Now coming to the third instruction, which says prononcez s'il vous plaît, which means pronounce please. And if you want to say that I'm not able to understand this, please can you pronounce it? Pronounce it please. Then how you will say that in French? Prononcez. Prononcez, which means pronounce. S'il vous plaît, which means please. Prononcez s'il vous plaît. Is it clear? Now coming to the fourth instruction, which says répondez s'il vous plaît. Répondez s'il vous plaît, which means respond, answer or reply please. Répondez s'il vous plaît. You might have wondered sometimes that in wedding cards why it's written RSVP. So this is the answer for that. So this is the answer for that. What's the answer? RSVP means, now if anybody will ask you what is the meaning of RSVP, what you will say? You will say that RSVP means répondez s'il vous plaît, respond please. Now coming to the fifth instruction, which says écoutez bien. Écoutez bien, which means listen properly. Now, if the class is not listening and the teacher is shouting like anything, the teacher is saying, please listen to me, listen properly. What I am saying, please have a look at the board, listen properly. And how she'll say that in French? Écoutez bien. Écoutez bien. Is that clear? Now coming to the sixth instruction, which is also often used in class by your class teacher or any other teacher. She might be saying that very good, well done. If the student answers each and everything very clearly and very nicely. Might have noticed, no, in your class that your teacher says very good, well done. So how she'll say that in French? She will say très bien, well done, or very well, très bien, très bien. Now coming to the next instruction, which is the seventh instruction, which says levez la main, raise your hand. Sometimes your teacher might be saying, okay, raise your hand. Who wants to give the answer? Please raise your hand. That means raise your hand. How you will pronounce raise your hands in French? You will pronounce it as levez la main. Raise your hand. Now coming to the eighth instruction, which says faites attention. Faites attention, which means pay attention. Faites attention, pay attention. Now coming to the ninth instruction, which says ouvrez vos livres. Ouvrez means open, vos means your, and livre means books. Open your books. Now coming to the 10th instruction, which says fermez le livre. Fermez le livre. Fermez le livre means close the book. Close the book. Fermez le livre. Now 11th instruction says lisez. Lisez. Read. Lisez means read. What does the 12th instruction say? The 12th instruction says parlez plus fort. Parlez plus fort, which means speak louder or loudly. Parlez plus fort. Speak louder. The 13th instruction says asayevu, asayevu. Sit down. Asayevu. Sit down. Now that's it for today. Take care and please revise this over and over again so that you might get each and everything eventually. All right? And bonjour. Thank you.